Hello you guys, welcome to my wealth robot. Today's video is going to be talking about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is basically when you sign up to a major outlet or a major store or a major company and sign up underneath them to basically promote their products. Now, some people promote products that the general population really never heard of, and some people promote products that people have heard of. How you get involved with this? Well, first it's a lot of different things. Let me start off with this. You don't have to have a college degree. You don't have to be a engineer or any type of certification like that. You don't need a diploma or anything like that. Anybody can be an affiliate of any of these companies out here. Just like you see right here in front of you. All of these companies right here. You don't need any type of certification to join any of these companies. But you do have to have a blog or website that you will have to start up and drive traffic to, which we're going to get to in this here video. Now, the first one I want to show you is Apple. Yes, Apple has an affiliate program. As you can see right here, apply now. See, you can just literally type in Apple and you can promote any of these Apple products. Okay, any of the Apple products you can promote. Okay, so that's one particular company that's well known. Everybody knows Apple. So if you started up a blog or a website promoting Apple products, I mean everybody pretty much know what Apple is. I mean, you don't have to explain it. That's one thing about promoting products that people are familiar with, is that you don't have to really try to sell it. It's more so like you just all you have to do is just tell people that you have this particular product. People already want it. People are already searching for it. So you really won't have any problems trying to bait people in and try to sell them something. They already came online and on the internet searching for the items already. Okay. Now the next one up here is Amazon Associates. Okay, they have an affiliate program. You can maybe start up a YouTube channel or blog or both, and put your Amazon affiliate link in in your blogs or on your videos, you guys. And you could just start earning money. You know, but with Amazon Associates, they usually it it don't it, the commissions is not as high as others. That's another thing I want to point out. It just depends on what company you go with it, but it's just that it's Amazon and everybody knows Amazon, so that kind of makes up for it a little bit. Because if they see your link in your blog or your post or or a link in your description, you automatically you think, oh, Amazon. So it kind of makes up for that. So and once they click on your link, I think the link is good for about 24 hours or 34 hours. If I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. Make sure, as I always tell you guys, make sure you do your due diligence on your own. Do your own research. Okay. Now, the next one that we have is Walmart. Yes, Walmart has an affiliate program, whether you knew it or not, guys. You can basically build up a blog, a website, or a YouTube channel and just sign up for an affiliate link. They usually ask you some questions. Well, all companies gonna ask you um, first name, last name, um, city and state you live in, your bank information. Where do they send you your deposit or send you your money? You know, whether some companies have check, some companies have direct deposit. You know, so guys, you can't be don't be afraid of giving companies your if they ask for your bank information, your routing number, your account number, your bank name. Don't be afraid to give them that information because they need that. You know, or else you're just not gonna get paid. So I don't know what Walmart particularly asks for. I don't know if it may be your bank account information. So just sign on up. Is most of these sites you can easily do a Google search. You know, that on companies that have affiliate programs. Okay. Now the next affiliate program I'm going to show you is Nike. See. Yes, Nike has an affiliate program. Okay, so you can come here, you can get signed up. Maybe you want to make a post about or a blog about Nike products. Maybe Nike sweatshirts, Nike shoes, Nike shirts. You know, or whatever your niche is. See, this particular one, Nike, you can earn up to 11% commissions. Okay, so as I say, some commissions pay high, some commissions pay low. It just depends on who bought what on your website, what kind of item they bought on your website, if it's a high ticket item or a low ticket item. Now, you may be saying to yourself, well, I don't have a website. I don't know how to build a website. I don't know how to build a blog. Well, in the description below, I have a link that you can click on called Bluehost. It's the best hosted site out there, or at least one of the best in my opinion. You could go sign up under them, create a domain name under them. Okay. And it doesn't cost a lot, you guys. You know, you can get get started from literally pennies on the dollar. You can have that particular domain for about a year for like I think last time I checked it was like $50 or $60 for an entire year to have your own business. Everything is already set up in there. Your Blue hosting, to host your website, everything is already set in there. WordPress is already set in there. So I would really suggest you use Bluehost to use the WordPress, okay, instead of just using WordPress by itself, because it could kind of get difficult. If you let's say you decide to click on the link and you say, well, you know, I'm kind of lost, or you know, I just want to just learn a little bit more to see how this website thing and this hosted thing, what it's all about. Okay, I already got you covered, you guys. All right, you could come here on YouTube. You could come to Bluehost WordPress tutorials. See, WordPress tutorials right here. Bluehost has a YouTube channel. Okay, they'll come back and you can come here and they'll teach you everything you need to do and you need to know for Bluehost. Okay, but this is just one step of the process. There are many wheels, there are many gears that turn in this particular niche as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. So you need, just because you set up a blog or a post or anything like that, I mean, you must know what you are doing. That's it. This is why I stress to you on every single video that I do, you have to have the full training, which is why I tell you guys to click the link below the video to get access to the full training, so you won't be stuck out there in the dark. Don't try to go out. You may see certain YouTube videos, they be like, oh, you could go learn affiliate marketing for free, you could go learn on your own, and this, that, and the third. Listen, if you try to go that route, by the time you get everything that you need, it's going to be about 2 or 3 years. You see? So even though the information may or may not be on YouTube, I mean, you still have to know what to look for. Okay, you guys. I mean, nothing is free. You know, people take their hard work and time to put this information together for you guys, so you don't have to take the long road. Okay, why take the long road when you can take the short road? Okay, why take a road trying to learn everything for free? Okay, and it took you 2 to 3 years to figure all of that out, where you could cut a lot of that time in half down to 3 months. Okay, you could have cut that time way down to 3 months. So do you want to take 3 years, or do you want to take 3 months? Okay, the choice is up to you. So as I say, I'll leave the link in the description below to where you could get full training on how to do this properly, how to do affiliate marketing the right way, because a lot of people online that are doing affiliate marketing, they're doing it the wrong way, you guys. And this is why a lot of affiliate marketers are not making money. That's just the God honest truth. This is why they're not making money. They don't have the proper training. They try to take shortcuts. They try to do everything they can. They try, to figure everything out on their own. And by the time they figure everything out on their own, they done wasted so much time and so much energy. Whereas you may be going out and you take action, and you hit the link below, you've already ahead of the competition, because you spending money and you're putting money in your education, okay, in order for you to learn the proper way of how to do this. This is just one step. There are many steps after this on how to do affiliate marketing. Can you make money in affiliate marketing? Yes. A lot of people are making money in affiliate marketing. They're making a lot of money in affiliate marketing. So don't be out here thinking everything is a scam. The ones that's coming online saying that they're not making money probably haven't took the right training, or they probably were too lazy to put in the work. Okay, stop thinking everything is a scam. Everything is not a scam. Okay, you guys. It's just that if you get led in the right direction, you will be fine. Okay, you won't be in the dark trying to figure out everything and trying to cut corners. You know, it's not many people out here, you guys, that have not taken any sort of education on this particular subject, on this particular topic, and they're out just making millions of dollars. It doesn't work like that. Okay, you guys. So I'm going to be talking a little bit more about affiliate marketing in my next few videos, going in a little bit more detail in how this thing all actually works. Okay. All right. I would like to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Okay. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe, please, to the channel. It helps out a lot. Okay, you guys, thank you. I will see you on the next one.